Hey, Tux Arizure from the Baby Cut Shop in Chelsea, and today we're discussing how to use 2023's color of the year in your little one's room. Pantone has released their color of the year. This is the color that they believe is going to drive the creative decisions of fashion and interiors throughout 2023. And I'm super excited that it is not a cold, boring color. I'm excited that it's a warm, rich color called Viva Magenta. And this is how they've described it. Viva Magenta vibrates with vim and vigor. It's a shade rooted in nature, descending from the red family and expressive of a new signal of strength. We definitely need strength. Viva Magenta is brave and fearless, a pulsating color whose exuberance promotes a joyous and optimistic celebration, writing a new narrative. After the trials we've had over the last 3 or so years, having a color that is warm and rich and friendly and encouraging and strong or representative of strength is exactly what we need. But then I began thinking, how can we incorporate this into a child's room? Because as you know, we furnish children's rooms, babies' nurseries, but then it's also a very rich, powerful color, which is not typically found in little one spaces. So here are some of our tips. Tip number 1 is to use a trim or a border on your curtains or blinds. For example, any of these from Samuel and Sons, that's our favorite color, our favorite company for trims. Love this one that has some gold incorporated into it. It would work well if you used it against a beige or a natural fabric, like linen, for example, and then have the border done in any of these colors. It would look absolutely gorgeous. You don't want to put too much of Viva Magenta into the interiors of a child's room because it's just a little bit too much. And we're looking for gentle, we're looking for serenity, and we're looking for calmness, and not the obvious playfulness and the loudness of this color. Tip number 2 is to have your child's name embroidered alongside a pillow or a cushion or bumper or blanket in Viva Magenta. This is our Willow collection, or this cushion is from our Willow collection, and I imagine Viva Magenta embroidered on this color would look very striking and will look absolutely stunning. You can even have a phrase on there like "Good night, sweetheart," or anything that you like that's inspiring for your little one. You can have their initials, you can have their names, but embroidery on linens would look really nice. It would look equally great to have the embroidery done on white as well. So if we can offer that as well, is just have it on a white linen, a white bed sheets or fitted sheet set. Having your embroidery on there would look beautiful. And my final tip will be to have a splash of Viva Magenta in your nursery on your decorative items like your rug. A splash of Viva Magenta on a rug is just going to bring a lot of warmth and light and excitement into your child's bedroom or playroom or even the nursery. For more tips on decorating your child's room, head over to thebabycutshop.com and click on blog, or go to our YouTube channel or our Instagram, or you can even pop in for a free design consultation. We look forward to seeing you at 408 Kings Road.